Obuoba tiwe
into obi antie ha
ebetima ba se yakwa ban mu a wo mpanyifo akuku dampa wunim wo mo
oh yes
amoa ban me boa
nim bebre
me tie me susumu wo bia me nim wo mo
bebre wa MPP mu
yes anya se wo dia bi kura na bia anya se wunim ni keke o e bia wo sa wo relationship but doesn't mean say wo betena no ma because of say e bia wo sa unity ro be kasa
they defend no
me I wouldn't do that. So Nima, I wouldn't do that. No, catch him son. Matthias, master, I would do everything for you. But it true say, men kasa more man. You team come kasa boy some yem. It end the first with him.
Minim say me.
I say with him.
Me new attempt. Na me ya de hu hia.
Say year Andra ye de tira we.
Oh, nyame ya do.
Yeah. Eno na me say nyame ya ene. Me show you so. Me wa asem ka kire NPP.
Tie. Andra me be ka wa.
Tie. Me wa asem ka kire NPP fo a ewo odan ene ne mpotem me wasam ka kire wo nto mu tie me
anyene not about omonko a anyo omonko a
omo de na aba
say politicians that is their attitude
aha de omo de na aba
afena ba hu omo
de na yeah juma say yeah juma bagana
o ya citizen ato wa na hwo hu su yi
mame na mose
ne yanko
na ye fansi ha ne nto aso
ye ko na
ye nua na mo nsem kyerofo bi no mo nyame nka mo koma nyame nka mo koma
o nyambe ko makuma na makan yo
nyame nka mo koma
politician e tua ne ga
nsem kyerɛ adwuma no a mo ye ne de ya werɛ ho papa mo ma mpanimfo ade nsem kyerɛ adwuma ba ye no omo awu da mena mu no mo ma omu su mo yafunu nti o mo ya dwuma a ɛso ni mfaso ti say mo a wo senka mo kasa mo man no mo adane political party communicators oye bia si wutirase no anim agu ase wanyade you have betrayed your people minimum sancho suku akoye ba me de na me koye no me ba be wie no graduation ye ma me soe ye me fa bible e soe ye minim se wo de no soe bia minim sancho suku a wo koye na ma me sanka bi me ne achem odan NPP both mo amudi of friend saying former MP Kwetu Echi any mo amudi current MP ono abo akwesi akwachi me wasem ka kire mo anopa yi nti muntie amidi kan fa woda chinti fa mfa mu wie me wia me wasem ka kire mo why wia me wasem ka kire mo nti no monta mu chuku me be kan okure na dia kire mo anopa yi na fe wia ya toa so nti no ka kire wunua ha mo frɛfrɛ mo sɛ na ya amoye no ona bukotie no mo nhyɛ ase because me be fire mo NPP MPP odan MPP for free panyini so de kwa ase ye ho nti mo frɛfrɛ mo nhyɛ ase frɛfrɛ mo sɛ na ya amoye no mo ye good mo ya adio ayi mo sema mo mutimi kan ona abotie muntie ho nti mo nhyɛ ase frɛfrɛ mo ho wie wo da chinti a me be ka se ma kire mo nyina muntie
wo da chinti
na no pay asem a me ba be ka kire on say have a good idea of what needs to be done. Have a good idea of what needs to be done. Adia e wo se wo ye e ye wa sedia e ya dikan tenase on say de bia me no ka say me ka say ya tenase when you sit down you begin to reflect on so many things. Sa what tenase na wo kan wanu tum din wanu no a wo de kasa bebre no sa what tenase na wo kan wanu tum na afi wo sha say oh reflect on so many things obon say ne ye ne nye na ne nyina twa te semfoni de kire wo. Have time for yourself and do that. Have a good idea of what needs to be done. It is a assembly member. Now when you say wa said any ABCD, have a good idea of it. In fact, position now wo kwa akopeno. So when you how if you don't have any idea with respect to that certain position that you are vying or aspiring for, don't worry your head. Because so be through her now to papa so ubenya nkrofo bi te say yen nom am ya ka no kra kire wo enye sensationalism journalism na ye sane nkrofo bi keka no ene nsamtwefo ne ba mo kasa gbogbo na kien kasa sen ye kien kasa sen ya nye sensationalism journalism bia wa ha o ye ka no kora no na de akyere wo ena no kora no ete se panie e ka wana wow sa na tie entity have a good idea of what needs to be done. Don't sit down Emma me can kyerɛ wo sɛ wo yɛ ABCD as MC as DC and sana wa be feel say as me yew and as me gu animu asio sɛ den don't because position na wo kɔpɛ na wo hu nimu di ansa na wo kɔ enti sɛ wa koduru wo dia make sure you have a good idea of what needs to be done. Ya juma ye I know say I was me sorry and part time say and this me body later to se crown I was me making sure say by 6:30 me was studio and baby bia me she bia no 6:30 I have to be here. Why? I have a good idea of what needs to be done. And wo nipa na okoto abama no ka tell ne say they should have an idea, a very good idea. In fact, a crystal clear idea about what needs to be done. Tell them. O that inti, o ya ne sa ebeboa wo. O sorry anopa e wunim se wo sorry anopa wo se wo twitwi wo se. Me na me kan kire wo. Wunim se wo se wo dware. Me na me kan kire wo. Onim sa tade na se onemu bon sa tade mu bon wa ye di gu nsuom ne apesama na to so ya si eno so me meka nkire wo oya ha a wanum yi nkan me meka nkire wo have a good idea of what needs to be done in life ade bibia na ase nkan nkire wo a na bebre no kai meka nkire no e ba sa afi obi akasa na ne ho ye wahi because o feel say ba wa ba di obekasa de atia me ba wa ba di oba betena me case so. But if you have a clear idea about what needs to be done kasa tenten bia mem ni onim ni se me madwuma eye kasa eni se me kasa ya susu kasa akwe wo kasa yes madwuma me ya yetua me ka no me no me mpam obi odon so kwafuo mu a okura se kan no akodo ono adwuma no me so me de ne kasa yi amano dam yi nti me kasa ya ate ase I have a good idea of what needs to be done. Anything me kasa no. Me bie ma no ne me be kan asem bia no I think about it to say asem na apie free man no empanimfo tie dwumadie yi emofra nso tie sua bibi free mu enipa different and omu nyina etie enti dia apie free mi mu aba abonten no se me nso so me wa abonten na me tie bia me ye okay ana. I have a good idea of what needs to be done. Enti anope won so do that. Unim kasa, sunya kasa, ewa aware anim. Ukunu bi se wasem anu atu cheek e de ama no. Unim so oba, e wase obro ho ase. You have to submissive in the marriage. You are not to submit yourself to only your husband. No, but you have to submit yourself to even your children as a mother. That is your responsibility. Submit yourself in the marriage. You can't submit yourself for your husband, but submit yourself in the marriage. Oh yes, sir. You know what needs to be done, and it has to be done properly. You get it? 26 minutes after 8, live on Ahenkai 93.3 FM. Jumediani ya Maakye. Jumedie ni dino no me ofre me Obuoba Ofori Amanfo ezru jaba akope jataba one me asase aban me ntijai ade se koso na ye adwempa hin Kofi Mensa ena produce show no Kwame Asanten so ka ho ena odi ahenkan Kwame ye boa enso ka ho bi fo adwenche fa bra ne yenkenkan fa ma 0594 841 044 0594 841 044 4. Afei enche yebeti asim na yedi yenkomo ahoroɔ bebre no a. Na mom kai na ehye ne nso se. Maka kyerɛ sɛ ne NPP fo ɛwɔ akyem dan. Me wa asɛm ka kyerɛ mo. Yes, me wa asɛm ka kyerɛ mo. Mo nyinara. Nti mo etimi akeka kyerɛ mo ho. Sɛ abrante no so wa asɛm ka kyerɛ yɛn. An including wɔn kɔtena social media. No wɔn twa adapa no. Nka kyerɛ mo nyina. Sɛ me wa asɛm ka kyerɛ mo anɔpa yi. Nka kyerɛ mo nyina. Both camp for hwan camp ne a obenten camp no mu nyinara me wasam ka kyerɛ ma no pa yi enti ya muntie ma me nkwa homa ne so na me konkotwe enkomo we emfamra sisi a many business consultant osan media personality odi ne juma Class FM eno won kran na osan host the ma talk of the nation. Miaminia Ewura Adams Karim, salamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Nyamia dumo na wonswe.
Salamina yesi na misa ebede.
Oh. Ebeye.
Inshallah.
Sure. Say wo ho no na wo ka say fix the country. No obi nso ka kire wo say fix yourself. Ya den e koso wadwene mu sensem kire ni.
Nipa no na chose na nimbre. Na bia Ghana na ye team no na nipa no nte Ghana ni bi nti no ye de beche wo san say bia Ghana no omu nti bi. That is how I'll put it. Because if you are Ghana no bia no and you can say mo bia ka say fix the country, because whatever it is that is happening in the country Ghana today, everybody feels it. The four prices you too much, so you teacher new, so you doctor new, so irrespective of you might be away and any crowd, you will feel the impact of the increase in fuel prices. So could you not tomatoes your tongue, you know, 5 cities, you will feel the impact. Right? So what's only a Bindu Mukania, and after eating before to prepare the Bourgeois, you will feel the impact. It is a Mabunu Ghana, so as a cast of fix the country. As I'm so move your school, move your man, you're almost to fear. Not a politician, be by not in the Abbott, she's a big corporation. No, we don't want you to do it. Now, what if you not say, because fix the country, now also fix yourself up. That's what they said,
Okay. My auntie sim na yenhwe enra what really transpired, no? I don't know. Were you part of them?
Yes, I was there yesterday. In fact, I hosted my show at the Independence Square yesterday.
Oh, okay. Great. Anything not senana euphoria on it here.
I mean, you could feel the environment was very charged. You could feel the anger and the disappointment of the Ghanaian youth at the leadership of the country. And then you saw that people came out massively in their numbers, irrespective of which political party they belong to, irrespective of which ethnic group that they belong to. It was a very charged environment yesterday, no doubt about it. But one thing that I must commend every single, protestant yesterday was the fact that it was a very peaceful protest. There was no form of violence whatsoever. And yes, I want to give the Ghana Police Service a huge round of applause for the discipline and the comportment, that they exhibited yesterday from the start of the protest all the way to the end of it. Now, I said, no, protest. No, you call round as you say, we are near Independence Square. Let it clean, just as we came to meet it yesterday. That tells you, maybe our Ghana, look, we are ready for the best of the new Ghana. And yesterday marked that beginning of that new Ghana. Because what happened yesterday is very symbolic for the NPC because they are the biggest. If the country demonstration was being funded by a political party, why did the IGP, the previous IGP, and the Ghana Police Service go to court who represents the interests of every single youth in this country, the non-partisan, the non-aligned, of every single youth in this country, is a threat. And that is why they failed to give us an opportunity to demonstrate. We had to go to court to demand our own right to demonstrate. So forget anybody that tells you to fix the country, is being funded by a political party, fix the country, is an aligned movement. That clearly tells you that, look, the youth of this country, we are becoming more discerning. We are telling the politicians that we are no longer interested in the T-shirts about election time. We are no longer interested in more mobile and mobile teaching. Because I'm going to go MP, but then move to chair or Damango, then I'm the end. And I started to to come to a fan. That clearly tells you how discerning and how conscious the Ghanaian youth are becoming. And so the Fix the Country movement is for everybody. So your NDC new, so your MPP new, so your PPP. Because at the end of the day, Ghana and the two of them. And for only political party, we are not saying that I want to join any political party, but so political party more. Once it comes to the interest of Ghana, also do political party colors. You know what I'm saying? Then you come and let's collectively fight for Ghana. I can tell you on Twitter that obviously people voted in 2016, people voted in 2020 for political parties, but it does not mean that so a political party or any young if you are part of a political party, you should be discerning. You should be able to read between the lines. Like I said, we are party A and yes. We are party B and yes. Ghana. Also, the two things. If you say Ghana, say you woman now, say minus say international Ghana. Let's start asking ourselves those questions. So this is the time for us to sit up, put our political party colors aside, and look forward for one Ghana. So Fix the Country movement is a non-partisan movement. It is not being funded by any political party whatsoever.
All right. Another group of people I work Ghana hands so hold your opinion be say concern ye washas ya all fix it a binomo. And into the as a more kind of crown, then whom crown shading here was say more demonstration. Sancrophone no me you know.
You see, I want somebody. Sometimes I am but you see, I don't blame them. I don't blame them because obviously certain people are on the payroll of political parties. So they will sit on social media or sit on mainstream media and spew any garbage whatsoever and then go scot-free. But I want them to know that almost time I don't blame them. You see, when you're eating, you don't talk. You observe table manners. And so when you come to talk, these are some of the things that they spew and go scot-free. They should point to one single thing the present government area to solve the problems of the youth. They should point us to one single thing that the current government is doing to solve the problems of the youth. If you want me to point, I can point to corruption. Obviously, the one-time corruption, the peaceful corruption. That's what is happening. They want us to point to those things. Corruption is one of them. Yes, the government is doing very well with corruption to solve the problems of the youth. Nepotism. The government is doing very well with nepotism to solve the problems of the youth. When they came into power in 2016, what did they tell us? They said there was no room for employment. Almost to me employed. But also for Marco, any acquired in the back here, former Speaker of Parliament, Michael Quay, a pair baby head in the back of share, and I'm a boy,
oh, kind of cray.
So good. So when they ask them, all of them, when they come into power, they put their family members, even himself, the president, the is excellent. Let's look at the previous administration and the current one. How many members of his family and friends are not part of his government? Meanwhile, the Ghanaian youth who have the skill, the Ghanaian youth are not coach to Amano Coach and the Papa Nimamia invested on the education of coach to Coach several years. I'm making good grades with the necessary skill of Pieda or New Jumania. So recently, what happened? The see what works for city. So Mobuno Moko line up our maybe to form all because some person will join Ghana and for. And yet, we will hope so. Could you know there be a common if you come up to these are the frustrations of the youth of this country. Unemployment is huge. When you are your hospitals, a war, man, we cannot pimple about the war of them policy and the policy bag from now. A war policy bag. I'm unfortunate to taxes now the drip assurance. A bit the plastic chair near our hospitals in this country, major hospitals. Kolebu, I see Kolebu hospital can see a war, man. Oh, Tamalina, major health issue here. You say, Papa Kolebu. Now, Kolebu could do okay as some penny. Recently, pictures be by social media. Kolebu for almost surgical building, almost theater building. Minia, look, let's be honest with ourselves. Nothing is getting fixed in this country. When the government came, they started planting for foods and jobs. Minia fertilizer crying, you beat an episode of 50 kg of fertilizer and 180 Ghana cedis. And I'm telling you this on authority because last week we talked fertilizer. I'm a farmer. 180 Ghana cedis for a 50 kg bag of fertilizer in this country. Then someone tells you that the government is fixing it. only thing they are fixing is their stomach. Because the president is giving himself a 7 to 9% raise in his salary. You know, a civil servant now on only year Juma more minor or give 4% raise in his salary. In Japan, it's all give 400 cities, let's see amount 4% raise of your salary. You know, your calculation and a catherine. Why your calculation and a catherine? You know, the excellency the president is talking about 48,000, 49,000 every month. You know, the civil servant no only year Juma more. Call your schools, a lot of schools under trees in this country. I travel this country almost every year, the entire country. Lots of schools under trees, and I don't sit in an aircraft, I drive, and I see the roads, I see the children suffering, walking several kilometers to get to school. You will share my Instagram quite often. Go to my Instagram and you see most of these videos, the water bodies that people drink from in this country. Then somebody tells you that the government is fixing it. Look, Ghana is not Accra alone. Ghana and yet Kumasi alone. It's a big country with 16 regions. The people who do not even see a 1 Ghana cedi note an entire year. Or 2 Ghana cedi note on fan and sounds to be in this country. Then someone tells me that what steps is the government taking? When the finance minister came to present the media budget, what meaningful message did he have for youth of this country? Except the usual rhetoric. Except the usual, we will do this, we will do that. Look, what steps have they? These are not often not to making noise about not performing to feel crying to our muka. They are complaining. They are maybe sure not to send messages saying to our muka. Yampa Bayachona buying to muka. And now I know we can say youth are the focus strike. Senior Staff Association of Universities of Ghana muka strike. Doctors SOS threatening strike. Then you tell me say Abane is fixing it. Abane not fixing them. Please, people should shut up if they have nothing meaningful to add to the conversation of the country.
All right, so before I will be Cochrane, now fix the country demonstration. Yedi kan I hated the streets of Accra. What next? I mean,
obviously, after every demonstration, they are no. Can say the government of the day, and now the leadership of the country, obviously including the parliamentarians, because they are not left out. They also do not care about the citizens. So we expect that definitely we'll hear some responses from these people. But the until responses they are from the steps to take next, or there are no steps that they want to outline yet, as per the conversation that I have with them. But they definitely know what steps to take. But in my opinion, I think that definitely we should expect more, obstructive demonstrations happening. After the likes of the Kumasi one would happen next. Obviously, we look at Tamale, Takwabis, and all of these, because Ghana has 16 regions, just as I mentioned. There's definitely room for demonstration and our protests, would go around all the 16 regions of this country. So, no more Ghana, you guys should all be expectant to fix the country demo, the bar was our region. One of the major issues also that made headlines as part of demo say constitution there where my muhano a scam, a sakawa constitution, a fraud constitution that has concentrated so much power in the hands of the political elite and leaves the ordinary Ghanaians suffering. And so that is one of the angles we are going to be tackling our fight from. And so per conversation, I know they mentioned that they are going to be taking the necessary steps to ensure that there's a constitutional review. And we hope that step is taken because our constitution is a scam, our constitution is a fraud constitution, it's a Sakawa constitution, and we need to look at that constitution properly. Okay.
My senior fancy have been here, Bessan baby, Madaroma.
You me that's in you, and I'm a charity for you.
A tea and so that's say. All right, Ebusia, yani business consultant or sign a Semtroni, a Jume Webi. Miami no. Ewura Adams Mahama Adams Karim Adams Mahama Bini Adams Karim Oyena Juma Ewo Class FM one crying Omo ya brofo ma anything o ka say nyina waka brofo sa no enti eya na wetie bi talk of the nation ni ame ya wa hayi ono so ye ne brofo wo Class FM na me ma ye ni twi version no ewo ha ntimi bi atwi version na no no ne brofo version ewo Class FM ya no watie bi wari ase 44 minutes after 8 still live on Ahenkan 93.3 FM ene ya woda zo de mu amunim say ya de jatoto ne na mu sa ye nhye de nsi hu nkonwa but ye tuja ye nhye de nsi hu nkonwa o but ye tuja no anyways and it is that we kan ye earlier on no Achimdan MPP me wasɛm ka kyerɛ mu anɔpa yi muntie me meyɛ nsɛmkyerɛni a mewɔ mpanimfoɔ akukudam time akyi but before I make no call ma menka saa asɛm yi fa nkyerɛ party foot soldiers no mo a yɛtɔ credit 2 cedi ma mo 5 cedis ma mo 20 cedis na mo de akɔtena social media no anɔpa yi meka kyerɛ mo mmɔ ɔbra da o mo ni mo bra yɛka ɔbra a wo ni mo ɔbra nea meka no wotie sɛ wotie woyɛ party foot soldier na wokɔtena social media Facebook Instagram WhatsApp everywhere ti say kwa de ye frɛ bibi nkrɔfo bi comment writers association sɛ wo ka ho a tie me o mo brada me ka no kore na akyerɛ wo no o mo brada because wa mo bra o ma obi mama me detect a pace for you say ha na fa o ye party foot soldier no wa bo brada enye obi na be ma 20 series sefa kokoto credit na project enema aban ne ye e wo social media na ene Ghana ni no sa aban ne wo bobra pa enye Ghana fo no ne behunu social media na wo de kwotena na ombehunu government is doing ABCD no social media ho no na ombehunu na enye FM ho no omote so o ka kire me say aban no wa baba be si factory e wa akyem dan e wo say Facebook na me kokko tena na makohunu say aban no wa be si factory wa akyem dan me am watch me dan ha na me mfuma ni nhunu se aban wa ba be si factory wa ha ana me wo ofo ase ayire bi a media me nim se aban no wa ba be bibi wo ho wo na wo be ka kire me ne NDC fo ye bi 2016 yo mo lusu poto mo we poto no na ma twitwa enema gu apawa so yesi factory wa o se den ya ye overhead wa ha ya we wa ha na wo de akotena sahwi eyi a kyerɛ sahwifoɔ sɛ ɔmo nhwɛ nneɛma a wayɛ na ɔmo sahwifoɔ no ɔmo nya Ghanafoɔ ɔmo no deɛ no wayɛ ama ɔmo wɔ hɔ endi sɛ woyɛ social media person party texters say association mo nya no party texters association mo ho ɔmo bo mo ho sere papa o ka ho na adwuma na woyɛ no wonya ni yi a me say o mo brada uni ma brabo because obi na ekyerɛw de fa wo conscience ne fa ye obi na ekyerɛw ne fa wadwene na ɛda wutirim ne fa ye o mo brada uni mo bra na ma me san kan kyerɛ mo sɛ wote so obi yɛ nsɛmtwoni no ɔte radio so a ye mu binom no we are equally qualified to be our friend saying MPs ne CEOs ne sa positions na mo de mama no ye mu bi ni qualify o ya qualify to be ye mu bi ni ma qualify to be assembly members e bi ni ma qualify to be teachers ne sa anoma no e bi ni mu agya ade kyerɛ e na o ma be ye nsɛm kyerɛ adwuma because ade kyerɛ ne e mo number ade kyerɛ ne mo number e mu nye ntiti de me ka kyerɛ wo no so obi yɛ nsɛmtwerɛni a na nkyerɛ sɛ wabɔn especially sɛ woyɛ nsɛmtwerɛni kora na sɛ woyɛ twi radio a o de ɛfo sɛ wo kora de nyansa na wutirim ma menka nkyerɛ mo obi a ɔyɛ twi radio onimadeɛ a sɛ minsuro menka kora na bebre no animadeɛ kora kyɛ ɔmo tetetete brɔfo radio station so no because ɔno brɔfo no na ɛyɛ scripted ti sɛ LPM yɛ dama nim yi ɛyɛ brɔfo ne yɛatwerɛ it is yɛ se menka ɛno ane sɛ brɔfo no matwerɛ abrɛ me na meka but yɛn yɛ die yi wo de brɔfo na wo de batwi mu nti yɛ mienu no hwan na waben eni sɛ yɛ wadwe sɛ obi yɛ nsɛmtwerɛni nti wo bie wa no asɛm bi a wo pɛ bia wo betimi aka kyerɛ no a meka kyerɛ wo nsɛmtwerɛfo bebre no ano ɔmo yɛ graduate ebinim kura ɔmo MBA ebinim kura ɔmo masters ebinim kura ɔmo degree law emra no amoye no nsɛmtwerɛfo bebre ya lawyerfo nsɛmtwerɛfo no bebre ɔmo aben ɔmo yɛ professionals you can read profiles and you see it for yourself so if you think say oti obi nka na adwene say ekom na de no onye adwuma ye ɛne yama na dwuma yɛ nti ɔmo bɛtena microphone echi a ɛyɛ na ɛyɛ ɔmo so ɔmo na nyansa wɔ mu ɔmo nko na nyansa ɔmo tirim na wote wɔn a wɔkeka nea wɔkeka no a ɛyɛ adwene ho mmienu sɛ yɛmu bi no yɛmu bi akɔ school wonu ma meka kyerɛ wo ɛnyɛ nsɛmtwerɛ adwuma ɛnyɛ nsɛmtwerɛ school ni nko na yakɔ yɛsuasua nneɛma ni bi aka nsɛmtwerɛ adwuma no ho and we are equally qualified to be MPs, ministers and saa nneɛma no a yɛde mo ɛno nti ɛma mo nya power mo feel sɛ moa ne moa ɛno nti mo being respecting nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ no ma menka nkyerɛ wo and a typical example ɛyɛ honorable Kwadwo Opon Nkrumah ɔyɛ nsɛmtwerɛni no ɔyɛ lawyer wonim a meka kyerɛ wo obi yɛ nsɛmtwerɛni a nsɛmtwerɛ adwuma no nyɛ sɛbe akwasampa adwuma nti ebia no onipa no obetena radio no so a ne de ne so yi nsenkwa ne no nkyerɛ sɛ wabɔn nti wotena fie a adwene bia beba otimi aka kyerɛ no hey now you have respect for your MPs, you have respect for your appointees, you don't have respect for nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ na wan ka jo nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ ne bia bɔn hwɛ wasa wo check your profile ye check your fat findings you know. Check it properly before you talk about some of nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ because yɛmu bi no we are learning, we have learned and we are still learning wodi mu ameka kyerɛ wo and our limit is not here nti ebi ene no feel sɛ onipa na ahyɛ aseɛ wɔ akura bi ase enti no woyɛ wadwene sɛ woyɛ wɔ gachen no a meka kyerɛ wo saa nsɛmtwerɛni no or struggle to become somebody in future. Oh, dear way a politician be now so and sa, and we did no more be a d. Nta ya say, oh, atabanya ubetu. Ensuo to na be hunu so atabanya. Oh, na maka, besa ka biom. Send ya podia, nantwie no ankasa anni ne to anche no. Sa, e na wo. Onso enka wo nsem afe. E ka kire wo. Se nantwie podia, anni ono ankasa nantwie ne to anni afe a. Okonfo no akotam de kom no, e na be kire wo ne nsem. Ma kanya me adwen na akere wa no pai nti mo hya ne nso ye mu bi we are still learning ye nsuade enwie ye ebi ma bie nwuma nti ye wadwene se odi ankan te Peace FM na oka na asem oka no korɛ eni nti wo betwa abɔ no a odi ankan bie nwuma se woni mu nsɛmtwerɛ ni bi no yɛ kwasampani ana no nkyɛ nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ nyina yɛ kwasampafoɔ no korɛ ne me ka kyerɛ wo no ebia no ono na sɛ ne kan ka kyerɛ wo no na adwuma no so onyi nsenkwa nti obetena ase ya no oyi nsenkwa mo asere sɛ ne be ya wo nso so ɔhaw ne amane no wo be releasing it down ɛno no nkyerɛ sɛ saa nipa no yɛ kwasampani nyame adwen ne maka kyerɛ wa no pɛi no 52 minutes after 8 live on Ahinkan 93.3 FM afei ma memra akyem odan MPP foɔ so akyem dan MPP foɔ ma memra wo so sɛ na medi kan ka kyerɛ mo no me yɛ nsɛmtwerɛni a nyame adom me wɔ mpanimfoɔ a wɔatwa me ho ahyia me wie program biara ebinom frɛ me no ma kyerɛ me sɛ wunua ɛnɛ deɛ baabi ade no fae no ɛyɛ deɛ nanso so na aba bi wom tete firim me wɔ mpanimfoɔ a ɔmo ka nokorɛ ne kyerɛ me ɔmo kyerɛ so wonɛ deɛ dabi we ne yɛnya ne sei me was am mpanimfoɔ no I have people around me like that. And I have people around me like that. They are NPP, they are NDC. I have NPP and NDC friends. And penimfo, as me bomb di trewa, obeta wenum. I have them. And they are mentoring me. Ebinimo so they counsel me every day. Udi mu ame ka kyerɛ wo. Enti adwuma na ye no. We know what is right. We know what is wrong. Empanimfo a womo na omo guide me to me for no. Me hu si omo mu bia adai eniamo ho nsɛm adi. Ɛne ntimi nso mi ogidie sɛ so omo na omo di manim di anya de ame nso eniamo ho nsɛm meda na die. Odi Ahinkan ba radio adwuma mu yi. Ɔde ahobrase ɛna di aduru baabi a waduru no. Enti so onipa we di wanim na ɔtenetene wo a na sɛ wobetie no a baabi a waduro no Nyankopɔn kora de wobetwam because ɔno ne mpa ebɔ no. sɛ baabi a waduru na awurade mfa wo ntwam sɛ wobɛtie ne nsɛm a wɔka kyerɛ wo a enti me I will never come and sit here even say me ankasa me director odi ayenkan e the agenda de ba say agenda we na me pese mu pushi na ye di gu obi hu fia of which I know me director onye because enka ne ho say mpo obeye no de ba say agenda we na me pese mu pushi na ebegu onipa a wetiti ni mo wirem hwese ne abrabọ tie na nkakra nyame ay wadum no wapege waduru a certain pedestal na me better how many hours 4.5 hours na me de sa 4.5 hours no a me be kasa wie na yi microphone ni free manimu a me nyo bia me te se wo a wutie mi na me de sa 4.5 hours no e de abegu obi a wabɔ ne bra free ni mfiti ase hwe Ghana ha to become a successful person resen ye emu ye ya na wa ye ne nkakra na wadi abeduru baabi na ye say because yamau sika binti brabegu sa nipa nanimu ase fananimu nyam betwitwiri fam me I will never do so me director di bi basa no say ose no no be yenya I will tell him say me pacho humbly send me ba asumdiem no I will go asumdiem simple me call me baby me botaye ne say onipa na ebia wugu nanimu ase ye ne because o feel say when you radio when your opportunity 4.5 hours enti Ghana nyina ye wo dia wona wo kasa yetie enti bra begu onipa nanimu ase no saa nipa no ebia no wo kyena ne babi a wahwe no obekwa kohyia ne baabi na obehia ne moa eni nti din saye si egu nipa ho fi me maka kyerɛ mo say I will never do because abrabɔ no minim sɛ ne tie sɛ wutie minim sɛ ne abrabɔ ne tie nti no me maka kyerɛ mo say I will never do something it will tarnish the image of a personality, something to denigrate the image of a certain personality. For what reason? Yabema mi sika na sika no media kosi da ben na da bio uji sika ni wie na onipa na woni ne kokotena ase am ko kyehye ho no osan kofa boys miye beku a na mfa so ben ne wo sika no kora na akokogye ye ne so yey afema mintin sim na memra MPP ni MPP4 ai wa achimodan no o masem so eye good se party no amoye no odan MPP muntie eye good se mo party na amoye no eno de wo ba bia fashion we ye kwetu abusia we ye akwasi akwabusia no eno na wo ba bia even NDC mukure wom oko party headquarters nanado omo hokra bepem ne yi a omampanya Kufuado no oye president no Alan ni Bawumia omo kwa akọ presidency omampanya Kufuado wo de otai na chi enti fashion de ewo ba bia nemom enwo se moma sa mo fashion kwetu eni akwasi akwa no a supersede the interest of the people of Achimodan no kra na make kire wa no pay no metia yi onipa minim se Ghana mara e recognize no so ye member of parliament e ma Achimodan e the honorable Alexander Akwasi Akwa enti se wu mu no so ye MP a me pa cho fa Obuoma no se anye bia watimi abie hospital hospital na wabie no onipa ba akokora ko na se okokogye ayaresa enhyira wom enti so de wu mu no because mo ye politics ena Ghana politics de obuo nimu nti no se wu mu no because or de no ho abefra politics and by virtue of so de no abefra politics nti no o ka wa adwen a kire no a eya kai se anye bia wa bia dwuma me say so person hu se ne abrabote ya bia dwuma na hwa se de abrabote bia dwuma ne sa se wutua nkrofo ka sa se wutua tax e ho na be hu say yes this is life we are talking about. Eni odi o se wu no because mo ye mo NDC ne eni mo MPP mo ye mo kwetu ni akwasi akwa eni nti se wu mu no a se wu mu ni so ye MP a bu no se we anye bia we bie hospital a eje nipa nkwa ana we bie hospital a enkofo ko okokogye ayarehwe anye bia wa fa nipa mienu a wotu omka wo ho nti wodi e bu no se we ye CEO e de ma hospital o de anya hospitals na wo Ghana nyina kra no a bu ni so ye CEO e de ma hospital na wa kyem dan ha yi for Obuoma ne saa keke se wo mu honorable Kwetu because honorable Kwetu ababa be ye party nsem wa be ye MP da enti se wo mu no mi mu no because mi ni ne camp mi wa kwasi akwa camp enti mi de mi mu honorable Kwetu nya me pebia me ka kire no a bra sister for Obuoma ne se anye bi ono so abie company bi wo ba bia fa nkrofo ma anye bia Kwetu wo de oba odan bebe di MP wa anye hwe yate wa ya de but anye bia no wa bie company ba ko bi e wo ba bia fa nipa e wom owo wabusuam se honorable Kwetu keke o anasa wo de onye honorable mpo no wo wabusuam kura keke no wo friend wo fa kura no a anka me gidi pass anka wo beje so enti se wo wa kwasi akwa camp ne nkire se dinatem tietie nanim emuno se wo wa kwasi akwa camp no nkire se honorable Kwetu emuno na anyenye bia me de anka me hunu yeyi funtumfunu afu denkyemfunu afu ebi anka mafu ya baako nke ye didi anka ye pre ho ya furukuro mu ade e na mo kire mo ho awi na muni mu say ni amo ye ne bema the development of Atimodan akodi chana mo mfa Obuoma mo ho na munya sa dirty politics na ma sha ase amo ye no emoa mo Atimodan MPP dirty politics na mo ye no munya emoa mo say onipa wotia kunwa to say member of parliament eh honorable Alexander Akwasiakwa entu na so wo Kwetu camp na wuni munyansa faboa no ona wo Akwasiakwa camp onso wuni munyansa faboa MP no emfa mbetena social media tem emfa medim panimfo atem because o feel say onu omo adwene nye pe say Ghana for ye ne honorable nya Ghana for kra omanfo wa Atimodan constituency no omani honorable Alexander Akwasiakwa assign social contract for 4 years 4 years mami din komo wie yan kampepa enya hwe yan konko bonkomo komo yani fix the country convener ana Mauli mumua okay yani Mauli nkonko twetwe enkomo Mauli enso so ye youth osanso ye nsemchiro ni sa na fix the country no ye bisa so ono ogina hefa Mauli efua ya jiri sa ho ye
but why me ho ye
thank you all right fix the country ebi say fix yourself ebi say fix the country ogina hefa
ayo me da say but to fix the country need fix yourself maybe me engineer any of the side
emubia
me engineer any of the side
enti wo wen fa na ugina
Nyangata, I have my own motion,
okay,
which is even stronger than this.
Enti motion, you know.
Maybe motion is say, you ban Ghana here. I think at times our leaders have forgotten that this present Ghana that we are in right now, our forefathers, their blood was shed, and so now Omudinya Asia in Ghana. A month for Okuntokwa. And so now Omuji Ghana Maakye. But at times so yeah, very say we have to live legacies. I mean say we a leader. I will say unya idea that you know people will point out and say wait. Now fix the country and fix yourself. We all have a long way to go. It's say if the country is not fixed, no, how would the people in the country they cannot do anything because you have a lot of things that the government has to do. And yes, when you say government, yeah, say government is not the president. I believe say Ghana no, there were 16 regions that were Ghana has it, and every region has a regional director. We have 255 constituencies. Every constituency has someone representing them in parliament. So the question right now is Ghana Sikani Any na the chance na ye be pa. Me a majina say if I'm there, me so many chance na but this can be sir. But my point may come to see and say, why won't these leaders use this money to create a serene environment for us all to fit in? Because we know very well that Ghana has money. And no dear, everyone can attest to the fact that Ghana dear, yet it's a castle. Are you getting my point?
Mm-hmm.
Ghana dear, yet it's a castle. We are on money. And see, Sikana, excuse me to say, maybe our leaders are having in their accounts on my packing a beam will go on them. You know, at times you want viral videos of people having money in their account or having money in their room. Sikana on their go on what's the extent? Whilst we have Agriwa a crashing people have their farm on a small plot of land. At least, we can support them to do their farming. After all, you are helping them to do their job. They still fix the country. We can't fix the country if we don't need long buildings. You hear long buildings. Say, you hear hospital. And I say, you hear a big, before the country can be fixed. No. That's one part of the fix of the country. And now fix yourself, no. The fix yourself also goes to your country, man. Your country, man. We are not doing the right thing. When him say, excuse me to say, over here business, you have to go by how do we call it? Some process or say find this one to the best establish one cattle business. Here like the case, over here, sir. Then you won't go through that right step and do the business. So it means that now we are at fault. Say, me and Medina say no, we are all collapsing Ghana. From leaders to citizens, we are all collapsing Ghana. Ghana that people use years, some of the years during slave trade era. Yes, our forefathers, some of the years are fighting for Ghana. No, we are all collapsing. Then now you go Ghana no. You go no. Go Ghana no, me so me go Ghana. Obi biara go Ghana. So what me point is say, wait now on konye ni, wait now on konye ni.
Okay.
I believe say, every political leader no, and I say every leader of the state, they have what they are having in mind to do. Yes, and excuse me to say, Uba Osua, most of these long buildings or this kind of pubs and restaurants are on and the government in the
private individuals.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay. Private individuals are almost setting up their own business. And it makes the whole environment so nice. So you feel like you're working in heaven.
Okay, I think that all points in here were made into BBN Ebesan about when she be now. Udimba Kono said to say, hey. Mauli day.
Mauli Hehatro. Yeah, Mauli Hehatro.
Made that Siano pay. You better come over chill. Okay, yene another media person. Mauli Hehatro and a coach and Komono. And I see how ya ignited the fire of a youth activism. Papa. I was see my youth in the coin na almost so omotisimbi chira omo adwene. So if the youth are, exhibiting sense of patriotism and concern, then back to yasemana minumi ni ye kano. Achimda MPP. Honorable Kwetu, Honorable Alexander Kwesiakwa, Minjin di say, enipa miyuni, penifo miyuni, so mu shia, ombetwi tu achira omo ho. Minjini. Say Honorable Kwetu pa ne, Honorable Kwesiakwa shia, na omo betwi tu di achira omo ho aden ya, me ne wo nya adwene. Hey, me no nya, ozo me no. I don't think so, say BC. Enti aden ti na mu amudi omachi no. mudwi mo ho saa yei adana mo amudi o machi mudwi mo ho we si we ai say enu ntini eto abade ma mo ana hey enu ntini eto abade ma mo me de masem kakra me ka de a kire mo no mimi ti hayi mimi you can never bring your agenda say me pushing for ma muntie the agenda you can bring and me push the amount and say honorable Alexander Kwesi Akwase bo say obema taxes mako 30 or the sa taxi number and into obo be munyina mo mahu dawuro na mo kan kire yi atem danfo say ne na ni je ho say taxi 30 no a honorable say bo na ba into omra meji bi sa agenda no de o de ba me push ama agenda me push ama oni say honorable can say obeye na oma bie factory wa achim dan factory na ba enti no ye pa adwuma ye fo Obuoba mo da wuro ma mabunu no mebre be pa adwuma ye sa agenda no de o de ba me push di ama na sa mo agenda Kwesi akwa kwetu agenda no amoye ne de mesre mo munyai ebe tonsuom ne tonsuom a mo party no ena mugu na nimu ase na me de ka minimu say enka ya furukuro mu ade enka kikiri firi hefa funtu mfrafu de nchen mfrafu wo mo afu ya ba ko nso mu didi anu wo mo ko e fa ne fa enka abusia na no nkire se ba bi for me fa nkodi mate muni mu amampani dada John Ajikumkufo kan asem kire mo me ka jam say ye no ebia na me appear you see me say I'm just a tiny particle atom but atom for kwan ya no mo ha adwene no uko school a atom for no mo ha adwene tu ebia na I may appear a tiny particle but mo NDC ni mo MPP party politics no ye di akire nya newu ye free di party politics achi nya newu enti no ediyama bia ekoso politics mu ye nimo ye gusunsunsua bia ka ho enti yama mo ntena ase nya wa adwene se enne obi ababa be yewo ni nipa wo ne camp enti ne no anu no afa na wo bobra o nyabotre na senia nantwie ni podia anka ne to anche no sanso no konfo nso enni ne nsem enche mo fa sanhye mutirim NPP fo e wa chim dan omampani dada John Ajikumkufo kan asembi o si eye se obeye messenger ewo party a ewa aban mu dan se obeye national secretary o se general secretary ewo party a ewo opposition tie nyansa kasa no eye se obeye a messenger ewo party a ewa aban mu se obeye general secretary and as a party chairman ewo party a ewo opposition menka sanche but samo kwetu ne Akwesi Akwa abrabo na mugusu amobọ wo dan ha enim se yato abade ama MP a ye hwe nim se MP so bo sa o so se ye obedi so be ye ho adwuma na moda so te won ye kwetu wan kwetu wan kwetu wan no mu ye o na nya me kan sa aboko yi dachi bia na me nam radio bia nka me bebode dachi bia na makoka odi anka ho Peace FM anase bia na makoka Kwame Nkrumah tikese ho OK FM no mo be kai sa brantie bi ba henkan FM mo nyankopon fa ne so ma ne kasa kire yen monti ase se fa ne fan kan na no kire se ba bifo emefa nkodi ana se utwa wo techrema na unya daaje de nkyene hyehyem na sɛ we bia pesa wo toto ma ne ya kono wo pesa wo no ma ne ya kono na wo wi a ɔhene ba PSA onwe nam bia ati onwe nam bia o anya mia ne de ensei sa subana mo da na di wa ha no MPP fo amu ache mo dan enti nyama werɛ ho sama to aba e de ama NPP na ebo sa mo MP sɛ ye bepem ne emu ba akokora wonyeye enyama werɛ ho sɛ mo nyina mo betena ase aka sɛ kwan bɛ ne be fa so a ye be ma kwasi akwa succeed hwɛ good ideas akwasi akwa di baaye very fine ideas mo nyina mo bɛka mo tia pa ho ni mo agya mo kwetu ni akwasi akwa no mo agyae mo konko ya sene man so sɛ ɔmo yɛ saa de ni bi wɔ hɔ a mo konko yɛ so ɔmo yɛ bi wɔ hɔ a munya yo ɔdan constituency mu ɛne enya asene man so across so ɔdan constituency mu ɛne enya ayi suaduro ɛna yɛdididi mu abenya akyease ɔdan o nanso bisa ho sɛ ɔdan no ɔno yɛ mother of all constituencies no ɛde yɛ bɛn no obetimi abosti ne ho fo ɔdan yɛ ka MPP a ɔdan untumi nka MPP wɔ Ghana nyi ɔdan mfiri mu ɛna deɛ ne wɔnya firi so enti mpanimfo yi ɛno ne maa mutiri mu ana ɛna mo gu so a mo kyekyera ka yi enti sɛ mutu kwan ko constituency foforo na mo kohunu nneoma wo hɔ na mo ba back na mo ba behwɛ na sɛ bi ni ha MPP fo ya amani nwu ɛya mo werɛ nho adwuma wɔdan ayɛ taxi twie nko an no ɛnya ma werɛ ho ɛnya mo mɔbɔ from time immemorial ɛna ɔdanfo ato aba ma MPP ato na so muntumi nkyerɛ nya de papa bi a yebetimi aka sɛ MPP fo de aba ɔdan na moda so ete wono mu a mo ye kwetu akwasi akwa no enti nya ma werɛ ho enya mo mɔbɔ adana mo mu bi mo bɔ aboro saa adana mo bɔ aboro saa na nya mo ye no you are leaving the people at the detriment of their own and it is very disheartening eya werɛ ho sɛ mo ye saa ya to abawie primaries ya wie dada primaries ya wie dada afi aden eri ebiem yey eri na ham I mean sometimes you think about nyama ba kumienu na odwene ho a wonte ase hwɛ sɛ ne ɔdan constituency I am very faithful and loyal to MPP nanso so ɔdan can never boast of adeɛ hu hia ba ko pɛ I keep saying say senka the political leadership e wa atemu dan ebe ya adwuma anka nhemfo na omo aye omo adwene say womo e ma asumdue ma womo nka omo hu mom no nka they will all become useless na ya borofo ma nkyere mu nkyere o me ko pass ase oyini ni ho ene ye omo so omo ko ahensa mo ko hensa mo hu yi enkrofo nton asase de bia enkrofo ton afi onipa ne te obi anko ne ho a oba be useful onya useful afi they will begin to rethink and reposition themselves because the political administration is failing the constituency woefully and no ama the traditional leadership to me and they feel say they are super power than anyone senka political administration ye adwuma wa atemo dan anka hensam a wo mo ko ho no ko biam wa mo biam ko mo gro mo de nanam ho a ase ayi aponche a wanya sam ayi ofrene sen okraman ya wo de sam na kwato nanim no ogro ho anka biam wa ne biam because the political leadership is refusing to act. It is rendered ofrene sen traditional leaders and they think that they are powerful. And that is why we are still sitting here and a mess in Guzwa Ekoso. Ya with a ho or down crow kakrakai in Kayawo factory secret bear say a do ɛwɔ ɔdan ha ɛna emu mienu kura egu ankenkyɛn yɛn. Jeremiah 29:7 ɔsɛ sɛ wokɔ kuro bi mu a piri kuro no yie die ɛni tina no pɛ yi mani abrɛ no me piri kuro no yie die nkurɔfoɔ bi a wɔn adwene sɛ wɔn de wɔn afunti wɔn bɛma ɔmanfoɔ ɛwɔ ɔdan brɛ na mpaya de bia yɛbɔ ne sɛ obi bia ɔbɛn n'adwene sɛ ɔma ɔdan kɔ n'anim ɔde ne kwetu ni akwasi akwa ɛbɛ retard the development of a nipa ɛwɔ ɔdan no yɛn mpaya bɔ ne sɛ baaburo sɛ yɛ mese baaburo na nanom mpaya bɔ wɔn ka no ɔsɛ nipa bia ne wɔn mo ɔtɔn nsa hyira ne nibusuafoɔ mo retard the development of ɔdan mo de MPP akwasi akwa kwetu no mo de tete ɔdan mama ihemfo no a wɔn nso aboro abɔ mu tirim no mama wɔn anya ahoɔden because wɔn di mu sɛ wɔn nkɔɔ ya obi ntumi mma nanso nea minim ne sɛ okɔ nkran a nkran wɔn nso so ihensam no wɔn ti bi ho saa nanso mpuntu okɔ so wɔ hɔ adentia aban no eyusu executive power wɔde agye wɔn nsaase na wɔn hwɛ so ma nso ni nyinaa kɔnkran kɔhwɛ tesi barracks no waje kwa chire ho wode ko baabi a yesiesie president fo mpanimfo yi mi wure kura firi ho din oh fa odin bra 37 ho no nyina 37 ho waje aban na je enti sanka political leadership ni ye adwuma anka mo so betumi use executive instrument e de agency ase na wo te so a wo mo eko ho no wo mo hwe wo man so for 22 years e ma pani bi adwene mu se ye bo man na boro senka political leadership ni ye adwuma nka nkrofo yin nko bia kura mu biem nko bia kura nkae se wo hene kura wo baabi nanso political leadership ni mpanimfo a e was say they have to put their heads together and find solutions to problems e wa atem dan no wo mo nso so te ho no mo e na mo di kwetu akwasi akwa enemre yi mu ya to abawie da enemre mu tie more social contract MPP for amoni atemu danfo asan me can't same way di akyere mo ne bossa honorable Alexander Kwesi Akwase ye nyina we will make sure say we fulfill ni nyina because onim say a 4-year mandate ne de man no e no share sa abo no ma bisa no so da so ogidi so obewie o se an entiyan so we will make sure say sa abo ni nyina wa se se bossa was say ye wantimi ani so a me say I will stand and I will campaign against MPP e wo akyem dan ha e na e bia gise mini ha I will campaign against MPP say we should change because omo no ye trust womo no they are failing us it is the last hope e honorable Alexander Kwesi Akwa ono so ne bossa wa se nyina so wo failure me say I will stand and campaign against MPP because me di akyem dan abura che me di akyem dan fo me di o mabura che na obetimi abapu emantem abokoforidia a wo mo akyem dan nanso ene e wo hemfa the second capital of Eastern region yeda so tia nhensam 22 years yeda kete so edwene sere bonsiri hehe san sore be ne nam abonten ihunu nkrofo chia wo mo ne asan akwa dem mu ada 22 years the political leadership has failed woefully. The traditional leaders are touting themselves thinking that they are superpower and the people thereof are suffering, struggling. The leaders don't care. And omo ti wana Kwesi Akwa kwetu Akwesi Akwa kwetu enemre mu Ewurade hunu ye nyina mobo ame nton ma de the ton wi a na mema won so kwan ne bra ade mo ntena ho na munya Kwesi Akwa kwetu Akwesi Akwa kwetu na brebre na 4 years ne so na bossa ono abo Kwesi Akwa hyeye wantimi ani so a ye beye campaign de ene agise mo ba buru ye kunyen Jisa muburu ye kunyen. Ye be campaign den the TMPP wa ha. And we will know how we will do it. Ya ye bida. Cause we go biza ho, ni ye ho. Unimu a. We will lead delegation ye be campaign den the TMPP now we will make sure some MPP will lose. E wa chemo dan. We will, we know how we will maneuver our way out. What they try ho? That was my agenda for. Yeah, agenda for kra chen mo. Na bossa ono agba kwesi akwa share yen wantimi ani so. Na ye da so te oh, mo me ye de a chem na de. O de service apon chekra ba na share MPV atare e be to ma. O boa. Sa adwene no. Sa da ye be ko pe wo ya de atwi adwene ne ho ama wadwene be ba fie. Ye ni bria abre na we need a new group of people ye revolutionist. Our journey wo mind no any mu nipa ho. We can't continue to be doing NDC MPP politics just to retard the development of this nation at the detriment of the people who vote. Ye expect said they will bring a new face of leadership, strong leadership to effect positive changes. Our sectors, they will also come and join the group of people that almost also say, the looting brigade, the self-centered parochial people. Massa, we cannot continue to do that. Me catch it all. Obi ba say na ma catch it all no. For adwen kire for bra 0594841044. 0594841044. Sanity. Once in a blue moon, na Nyankopon di nipa bi a to say yen no aba. Nipa bi mo a to say yen nchew. Ye adwuma ni wie pe. Na Nyankopon age yen kwa firi ensem ne ye ko yen nche. Inti me no, I am ready for anything any day. I am ready for anything any day. But don't dare think say we betimi release tax so we make me oh boy. Don't even think of it. Because yemu bi no Nyankopon e de ye nam. Nyankopon e no de ye na no de ye ba ye no so o de ye ba be ye a certain adwuma. O de ye wie sa mission na ye kɔ. But say you wie sa mission no na wo so oba sumanko for say ye ka no kwento meku oh boa bra forget it wan ya sra oh chira me sen wan ya sra mami konkoji commercials we mra me ba na fei me mra me tonton ye ma ba komienu bi na fei me ma kwan na won so bra munya botre me ma mo kwan ma ba ene me ma mo time no mo mra atem dan ma asem ne ye ka ne ne ye nkoka nkran asem nkoka kumase asem and na chemo dan ha ne yeka mi wi ana fe ma tie simu wo ofo ase ayirebi ma sa wura mu a ase suaduro ni abese atwamu akwa asene man so akroso honorable George Kwame Amboaje oni honorable Alexander Kwabena Inkum anopai me chia mo me salutu mo matie yensem ane yeka no asene clinic no omo de equipment ne de aba mo ya de nyame hira mo muni mwani abre enya ne yete ho wa hayi mo de mwani abre enya ne yete ho wa hayi tie we ma me ba
KNY Electronics and the down so upe TV rechargeable Bluetooth speakers games console game CDs Bluetooth headphones sound bar computer accessories mobile phone accessories and a mobile phone ankasa and one KNY Electronics you so watch him down in Potema problem be any ho upe so beto enwuma bi do so poa e kwanda ho na emumu no so upe se di bro be bia uwa fra KNY Electronics e was 020-580-3647 ana 0244-055-122
Ojam se upe quality electronics product dia eye KNY Electronics
ye kira kwanya hwehwe na ye won kran North Carnation Swan Lake ye ni Holy Trinity bus stop ene di hwani mu KNY Electronics quality product nkoa ene yeton.
Thank you too. So some 28 minutes after 9 we are still live on Ahinkai 93.3 FM. Jumedie no e de Maakye ofre me Obuoba Ofori Amanfo ensuro jaba akopa maka mesi adwen amedwen amanga abi na ata na abi na wa asase aban mentijai aje se koso na ye nia wusuro no yen ye beka ne simple kora san say aluta or se continua ba ya ba ne ba besom o man no yen tan wo bia men tan wo nye wo hwe but me ka no kora kire wo no kora no ankrofo bi mpeso meka kire wa o makrokro mo ama mo feel say mo de mo nkoya ane so no me ka kire wo okoya ane so watena ase yiwu ye mo ayo ne yie wa hunu se wonso ye nipa one day e ba agbo snit se men kan sem kire wa no pay snit ai snit nyeye nyina snit eno so huhia pa bosumi bia odi ahenkan no wate hwe mo amuti ahenkan FM mo bɔ mpae mo mmɔ mpae mo odi ahenkan yo mo mmɔ mpae ma no because ohia wo ne me mpae bɔ mo mmɔ mpae ma ne pa mo mmɔ mpae ma no na de bia mo nsre awurade nhira mfa ma no adwempa ene yafunu ewo no maame akua afra koma ba bibia wo bia ono so mo nsre nhira mfa ma no sene na anu si wo bible mu no osina enhyira nka yafunu a ewo saabofre yi nhyira nka yafunu ewo saabofre yi nti ba bibia maame akua afra koma wo nyankopon hyira wo se wawo onipade amagana ene ne so abamfa so wadane abe ne so abamfa so amagana fo bebre nyankopon hyira no nyankopon hyira ne pa nyankopon hyira no ana afei yen papa apaw nse de bia ye kan ne yi papa na firim awerhu mema ye mobo nke beka se hwa e mobo ankasa se ekuro ye mobo ye kan ne yi mema na firim hwa e mobo ampa hwa e mobo this young girl go school into omu nyina o classroom ana o mama kwan adwempa nkwa no mama kwan ana
da omo school
intimi kan hwa e mobo no ya papa apaw shalom nyankopon hyira wo in fact ma wo nipa e dia magana odi ankan tua snete ma na adwuma efo and it is snete for se men kan kira wo se utie me na no pay o pese o ka wo snete card no ene NI card ni bomu a ye frɛ no merger o pese wo merger me pa chew frɛ anase dial *711*9#. O dial ya no follow prompt no. Omo de nhyehyɛ ahoro niam bibiri dia ba mpacho di suma me. Udi suma me a ɛyade sɛ ɛbɛboa wo papa pa. NIA ɛna snit card no ye ka bum ni aye ne ba akopɛ. Nti ebeduru ba bi no sɛ snit card no ni nyina e be free system ni mu na card na ye ba akopɛ which is the Ghana card. Me pacho mo yeni so sa amfa ma me. Ubetumi afrɛ wo mo no aginkyeremu e de afa asɛm a me kan ho e wo 0302 611 622 0302 611 622 and 0800 110094 0800 110094 and only a toll free number Vodafone numbers pe and obetumi afre and also obetumi email you omo ewo contactcenter@snate.org.gh contactcenter@snate.org.gh WhatsApp no so enye 050,000 3050 050,000 3050 Facebook, Twitter, Instagram handles no obetimi akọ na wonu o makwa akọbọ enkomo ebacho ebia na wutie me o maami anase o papa wanya 72 years and above I was say onya SNIT pensioners certificate SNIT pensioners certificate se oni bia by 30th of this month ye be delete 13,000 plus names at your free and system nimu because ye ni abre papa ye pese ye ghost names ni nyina edi fi SNIT in krata emu and inti by 13th of this month 13th August yade a ye be delete 13,000 30th of August ye be delete 13,000 plus names at your free yen system no emu o mpese obeye victim a me pa chow SNIT office na ko ka kire o mo say wote se Obuoba Ofori Amanfo all SNIT pensioners certificate ho asem e wa henka na FM eni nti na waba uni bi omo hwe no mo mpe bi ema wo ombe pebia ma kama epacho tie na ye ne sa afama me wanye na ekyena bi ɛho nsɛm kɔ bɔ adabirido na aba bɛyɛ ɛna tibima me agya tibima me wɔ ha wobɛba no na me matwi mani sɛ pani a wayi mframa bɛdwam me mmua wo mpo o twerɛ nkrataa aba nso a mɛmoa mo ato atwene das bi mu apem ba bi atena tie ne yakɔ yanim K Asenso Limited, swinging wheel office chairs, quality wooden chairs, authentic bookshelves, and our pa a K Asenso Limited. Circle Arabraka off Iran Clinic, Kaneshi Flamingo Road in Subihunu K Asenso ho. Me pacho mo ya sorry, and a mercy sorry than a we mo penkunya papa edi gumua K Asenso mokotoa or besan de gu kemua baby odebe kono eye free untua teku untua sempoampo eye free K Asenso and obey sa from 0302 257 209 and 0302 919 739 K Asenso Limited, home of quality office chairs and bookshelves. Afei KNY Electronics abusia KNY Electronics ma yemo yensema o ma ya de papa omo penny company omo won kran na so omo se ebia na wutie me wo ofo ase wo ayiribi ache ase suaduro asikumo dobe brakwa ba bibia radio ya no kokopem e na wo ho e na wo to ade ba ko pempa ye de bebre wo what be da debi omo kan so omo nye ye pe KNY Electronics ubetimi so atone duduom ba bia wo bia ye de bebre wo 1000 kra ye nye eye KNY Electronics enkran na ye wo and it be pa chew ebia na ope affordable but quality TV no size be na ope ni nyina ye wo bi rechargeable Bluetooth speakers saade na ya na mo games console ye nkwala na ye bobi pa na ye bo lose to pay menka se kokko bobi but any time de na ye bo ulusu a ubetua na de e pa cho nko atobi ne fa ko hye dem nko atobi ne fa ma wo ma no no mo ntena dem ho no mo so ate ase ne wani ni wo mo ma na chi afa ye wo games CDs e wo ye wo bi ye wo sound bar, computer accessories, mobile phone accessories, and a brand new mobile phones accessories. And so ye wo ni nyina ebi e wo ho no na brand new mobile phones na nkasa so ye wo bi e wo ho na nya wo be ya ne se odi wani ba kirem so opesa wo konkran dia ana ebia wutie me wo nkran onipa bi wa ha opesa wo tobi e de mane ne nsa ka wa ha me pa cho ko KNY Electronics ye na tran ye no ye wo nkran Kaneshi North Kaneshi Swan Lake ye ni Holy Trinity bus stop no e na idi enhwe ni mu North Kaneshi Swan Lake ye ni ye Holy Trinity bus stop no e na idi enhwe animu me pa cho me to me boa bobo number na ma fa ne frɛ no na oni ni nkomo TV type bia opebia uto bia e be package kama ne de wade de abro ba bia wo ebi nsi da ebi man potem hada frɛ number no eni me to me boa bobo ama 0205 80 34 46 0205 80 3647 and afi 0244 055 122 0244 055 122 about us all friend wo mi din say o te wo Obuoba ano e wo ahinkan FM a o 20% discount ebi mo se sene a watu bo a wo keken de company wo de ana ai company media why about KNY Electronics about all friend abo midin a when you 20% discount no kre na makacho no afa abusuya ma memra won so ho wahu na yentie wo mi medikan ka se ono abo akwasi akwa feli achem dan na bo sha o hye yen wa ni so a by 4 years no me metie sim aye campaign e de tia NPP enye ono Alexander Kwesi Akwa ono abo enye ono na emum meye campaign tia MPP e wa chemu dan san se oma faye sa sibe me company asem na akere wa no pay MPP for no afa chemu dan for sa sibe na yɛntena ase ma ne nkɔ so frɛbra 0201 944 485 ɛna 0554 820 910. First caller, Udi, anybody else free?
Hello?
Yes, sir.
What's the morning?
Majo, so me this year, Udi, anybody else free?
Because I feel
Set, yentio.
That was in your human power. One person in your one count. Now, on my one, you have a regiment, dear. And then, of course, watching or down the massa. I know what you because we should say, if you think I'm a penny who formed as a promote family, stadium or die. Muslim Baby as to say, up to now, not in your she. So, Gosia Quabano, honorable, yes, sir. So, I'm not to me and Shadia, Eddie catches the 4 years around the corner. The blue on the so, my ECG for us to say, honorable, former MC, as a name, baby, I cannot for Honorman, and you feel any more now. Like Pope, Baku is one number. You know, the kind of boom, a movie. I cut it to a mass another national form up to now, about 1 week.
Okay. Okay, you are Matty at a civil set. If I show Udin, any baby, I can say free.
You're telling young Mago. Because I feel done contact.
Young Mago into you.
Massa in Yamin Shop. I mean, shop, as some of our constituency, as some MPP, as some of our can. Queer animals. A Gunquanta 4 months and then they didn't drink of yourself. And then me, I mean, now, near Camp Pia, as someone, maybe me, I'm a near woman. It's in a people, I know as some of our canal, near me can't say Yamishra. And a master face your country now, oh, can Master, why are there? It's answer, and yet, to memo phone. Yes, you did. Yenya, they say, Bola, Ukuta, Roba, no what working. Then you face yourself. The Mampany Bear then, or a bola, after one thing, add the idea, alcohol, a bola mine. It's in the Yenya, face yourself.
Okay.
And now face your country in some Penifonican. If you are clear for, you don't move Branquanta every year. And Penifosi, free education. Like a free education, like a yes, I'm one at your da, the video. It's unsafe, but mean community or the Saniba Cramo, knowing you're a baby of 50% per bag. No, what they are, or they are cotonica at them. And you will say, oh, school, and I die. I think face your country, manage your money, buy a mission.
Yeah, say, me pacho Udini maybe I can say free. But I don't know, maybe I can say free.
Yeah, I'm just about Barrage at my chance.
Barrage, Pacho Yanko.
Yes, you. I want to pay my money, Juma.
Yeah, that's it.
At the before, it is mediating, I can't say a point. Over once, Master Bakwa, a Damakuma for Pan and Ramakan, and MSS to be a Chancery Health Center. Over, India. Andra Mechanic Mesa King. I just sent out like I say, your doctors, you need doctor. Didn't make us a doctor check at the Atum Sodu. No, sorry about Atuma Campus. The beer. And he said, the DC and Umbra, another Madua, you need doctor, I can't hospital. And so, yes, sir, a Danya doctor better than who. And when I make us say, many people are 15 years near I just hospital. Make us an imbe who I just hospital. Near what doctor to near when you found swa, not a CSC, I just hospital. The beer, Anana, make us in home. To see who could be another doctor here, why you mula. Sebi, parents and a probably the offense. Who could that be our? Which you will be a 7 parents and will be a 9. Oh, I just 24. Yes, I'm in front of I tell the hospital is to honor. You bet me, I be up on I am a didn't because you over here, you operation. Yep, I'm a child said, district hospital and Catastrophe hospital. So we move to district hospital. I can't want a year. Now to me, I want to done a den and they be the upon. Yes, I tell the photo. Oh, my, no, yeah, and
okay.
I'm not over my information when she was who see. Can't say or that now the right here. What traffic service now? You still hospital because you see a jana baby or what? And the jana near real. Cancer about that animal who be a yana can focus because of the insurance, toilet normal closing. You ever simply for say, Monshe, na cancer san yamana my yana at the hour. Omumiano, not to memophone soon in your own pato, yet and 24.
Yeah, say Richard, yeah, I see be brave. Me pacho Maakye Jumedie. Adaroma noa yes Eastern Region Media Excellence Awards Oma nominate Maakye me pacho to abani be farmer Maakye because what you say Maakye there one of your favorite programs I want Ghana had mo say ya inti me pacho to abani be farmer why and one so be about *44 star 447 star 714 hash ebefo ani so kra ma me fa mobile money bi mfa nto dwai wa me anka san de we kra na fa mani so enti ya mfa mobile money number bi nto dwa na omo amfa mra na yenye yade edu de sem fo ani so amobo ma bibi am de mobile money number na be to dwa mfa mra na yenya ye ntoma ye ho enti star 447 star 714 hash omo no wi a o meka cho say but nominee code Maakye code no ER2 ER2 now me pacho what for abana kama edi amayen inti star 447 star 714 hash o dial ya on be catch say enter nominee code ER2 pe ER obebo ER2 na fe dodo bi a pesa woto no wada roma na wato agum woto ba ko a 50 pesos 50 pesos me pato udin ene bia akasa free
I say me MP jan ka ba me ka say free akama wo abo
MP ntio
ne da bi am ka obo wa am say wonu program na o da ba an kan something nyame shira mo papa 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 na mo no wa hwe asema o ka e ka say wo ka ama wo wa ye do be go wa do boni bi nyame ntia ne ka yes say bit say me ka say me nya say mo ba bi abo oko 20 kosi sad wa o free sa markets asole gane ko na say street art e wo no met me yi me nya ka say makoma ko fo pe e na la se boso ya ka o na risum kwa eso sabi ka ta che sa mago fo o krino ayi do na do sabi nteni fo ni dada na eso mago fo no e na mo ba chire e ba mo ban ni pa bo fo so ado so na risum se na se pa na mi o bi brand se we kan re ne ma to na sabi ka sa che me se mi company fo ni bi ni o so be tell us ni da ko bo but approach ni so wa babo a papa ni tell let's say we am the two anymore. Okay. Twitter, atame mine, any MC, ma me about empire, ma mo ayo ta post no. Me am meet me dey mu.
All right.
Ma church post no.
Yeah, say nyame enka wo so ho papa pa. All right, tintin pa chon so betumi afre abemu 0201 944 485 and 0554 820 910 0554820910. Me pacho udin anyway be akase free.
Obuoba.
Yes sir.
Martin.
Majoso.
Apo.
Nyame adom na wonso
Adunya. Maka, ejuma wo ye, onyankopon kan ho ade.
Amen. Na wa modin o.
Me pato e ko na kase me kase frat mo da.
Okay, e call me pacho intio.
Onyankopon kan ho papa. Me ejuma wo ye de anu wodin. So bia na adwin se obafo ho adwum mone na o stress mone amo a onyankopon ni ni. Che, yes, fix the country. Na me simi gina ha odan ha kase, odan nyan kase fix ye ho ate. Adwum mone aye MPP, NDC, kwetu kwesiakwa. Ene ye de se wo man no. Into odan into jabe na ebema nimpuntu akoso. Ye hwe ya no mo yiu. Na ebi mu kogya ye wo yi si nya ye mo boten e pude me kura ye hwe afisi ya huyo maza na finta na ya ma no papa tre
ye da se nyame enhira won so papa pa se wo frɛ e ba ye me pa cho osu betumi aba udin ene ba bi akasa fi wadaroma
Hello.
Yes, sir. Me pacho, didn't be free.
Pacho, make us free Ediasa.
Ediasa, Bonito, Nianco.
Pacho from schoolboy.
You're from saying?
Yes, I'm schoolboy.
Schoolboy.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Many abanga echewa no pay.
Maje woni abanga so. Yeah, that's it.
Asem na wo kana de ba. Yes, so penny go chom ani me heavy asa. Yes, ya kwano so do be di asa. Yes, ya kwano nye fla. Yes, penny go so mo ani me heavy kakra.
Okay. Yeah, that's Sibibre Schoolboy. Me pa cho so din and we okase free.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Acho me kasafa shaman.
Enkran Shaiman.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Udin.
From Philip.
All right. Philip Yentio.
Some big Kakana Chimaja says, say no man if you can. You're 24, some motion on buy because I never mind the Yamaya, the trauma, one panama to you, my near can in your mind.
Okay. Yes, me say Uti radio and I say oh share war in social media handles and so.
Me show social media.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's Sibibre. Nyamin count, huh? Credit ya was spending a radin count hopa 0201944485 and 0554820910. Nominations, you know, you go so bobo. Almost saying Obuoba Ofori Amanfo say yeba no morning show or yeah the host of the year. Na say ebebe mu a just what ho aba. Hey, Radi Jacopo. If I do, Udin maybe I can free.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Udin maybe I can free. Okay.
The Abangamania.
Say schoolboy, I free and the Abangan super free. TNT, Abangamania.
Yes, you're quite Anna. Oh, Adiama Kwansua. I'm not going to get you and no, you're still crying. You're near no. I won't swap them.
Most ramping for some maybe I know, Mamma. All right. Any amongst money can't call the dog when I'm penny for me, be Mamma. Why?
Yes, yeah, that's
all right. May that Sibibre. May Pacho Dean baby I can say free.
But your friend is Solomon.
Okay, say free him fan. Okay, solo yentio.
I said, well, kind of person, which my drink.
The patcho yentio.
I'm 24. I want people in NBC. I'm a or the mindset. I MPP. You know, Oba, not over to a bar, or we are there, MPP, maybe you know. Yeah, if you are going to my bar. About 2 aban, we say, Ombesi, a Chiribia Mayan, in some what can I not pay? No, am I who say, or Damino, and say, yes, we are fire and wagging, now yes, yes, because Omoya Daya only says, Yakofa, Sabu, a boa crab, Pintino, who begin on Mokrana, a bet 2 man. Yeah, this year, and I said, next 4 years, someone to 12 near my yard. Yeah, if you are going to me about an idea, we are by a bet to MPP. Next, you know, government, you know, on by your money, my year, no, my guy, Quesia Pane, quit to a seminal.
Thank you.
Of my or Damay,
mean so made us papa. I don't yeah, done deal, yeah, more the benefit of the doubt. Say for the 4-year period, deny the Honorable Alexander, no. The promise ni no be fulfill it am ye nya gidie e wo MPP mu e wo dan e ha no mo na se sa na tie ne ekodi na se no so te se banchi ni brodie fufuo nu ade a ene me pacho I will stand and I will campaign against NPP, not any individual. NPP am NDC aba so almost ya Ghana for inti frebra 0201944485 and a 0554-820-910. Me pacho mama watching udini baby on kase free.
Mejojo.
Nyame ehumi mobo na wonso e.
Boko. Una be ma Abubakar Sadiq ni do na family to.
Little into.
Na the nyame ase say no face the country bia akoso kokko.
Sir.
Egusu ye nga ka se bi no nra ye da ye wofa. Ya de nyina owura kwam dance ye da na se e wa nra no nyama odi ahye. Efa e hospital a ye mpini DC edi be si won mutuntu wa sa no. Wa boa ma ye wofa edi nyama be guma man. Ame na esa kan ho. Mi hira na ne aduma ka.
Sir.
Yeah, that's Sibebre. Me pacho, oh, unfortunately, went to me and you so obey me as I'm baby. Pacho, didn't baby, I can free.
Hello, Pacho, 7 Nana body.
Nana, okay, say free.
Pacho, me can see Labicrum.
Labicrum, yentio.
Pacho, Obuoba.
Yes, sir.
Yamisha ate.
Yamisha also.
Yamema ubibia ibia enkoso.
Amen.
Na Pacho, me tanu hansa nwaja account.
Mita ni nya ho asem ka why ensem na da e table so ne dɔɔso nti ya fa we kakra ne aka we kakra e wo sɛ ni nyinaa so ye touch nti mita ni ye nwie ye why
yo aya na mpacho aya no wasi sama ye
mate
ana secondary mpacho akwati akwa
honorable
obetu o me tu toilet bi wo ho
okay
toilet na akwaya ntokwa akwati akwa betu a na kwetu abetu akwati akwa betu a na kwetu abetu Wama boys na brepa last week no ye no here o we crew no no ye pincho me no toilet no so nya asem ketewa o the block kakra bi na begu eda me tin so obi frɛ no ka say o here ne ka tell say onya abotransa na obeta ba na toilet no be no ye see e pade e beboa crew no ye nka say e pade e private one ayemfo no kwa na be ye so e be koso nti ọmọ di an se toilet ni yetu ato nso to an to guma anwura na egu nche ni nyina asa sumagu toilet ni ye nya ba bi kwa na je nan so mama kweta kwa so ntema
all right yeah that Sibebre honorable the higher so no tie unfortunately went me nyina so Dr. Down Blue message or the by or say fix the country convenience no in fact omo ye adwumaden enra pa nyame nhira wo mu nyina makoma and we nso see a friend Odame Matthew or say good morning nyame nhira wo ne adwuma wo ye e de aboa o my Ghana me pa cho di ni baby akasa free.
Hello.
Yes sir.
Baba, good morning.
Majo so udi ni baby akasa free.
Me kasa free abemati me momu no mo program na mo ye me da ka fro why.
Ya semu. Udi ni baby akasa free or this year ba.
Hello, Obuo.
Nash.
Obuo bra bi Mr. Obin.
Mr. Obin, atwafa ho.
Obuo atwafa. Obuo mu so wa je so beboa wa chema odaman. Eshira nka udin pa wa Obuo.
Amen.
Da pa so unfri odan petem anu te na o peso o wanya je papa se o peso ya na boa odaman da wase.
Me so me da se pa na ne tie se kwawufo yabusuafo ne achemfo ɛna wo kwawu na umma odan na menim kwawu ni no a wo ye no se ne tie because kwawufo papa ne de omu nyina odan omufuru ma hye odan nti wo se hwɛ ma odan akoso mamo achia no pay.
Hello.
Yes sir mpacho mamo achia no pay.
Oh for
wadaroma udi ni baby akase free.
Pacho me kasata
Apoli Ningo yentio.
Oh me so ye kwan na say pa ti pese me strema for tu ni pone no mo ye kwan ma ne strema ye tin mo da kra nyai basa.
Mate ye be ye ne sadia mamo ko men sapila 2 and cry domi and odi free ba so oboba nyankopon hira na adwuma wo ye na fix the country or not fix the country. NPP are better than NDC and Intiana Matias yes Komensa. Thanks for coming through with your message. And Eric Hakuna Matata Kofuridua and odi free buyer ono say US almost create 15% of jobs. US abino and a private individuals no accurate 85% and into no catch the Ghana for so almost so na omo insia NPP Eastern Regional Chair hopeful Paul Kwabena Amenin and Honorable Michael Tribefi Eric Hakuna Matata say Ochiamo Pepacho Mamu Achiano pay.
Hello.
Yes sir.
Yeah, schoolboy Masaba.
Oh, there be schoolboy more being some like make a sebi. But you didn't baby a free.
Dance one.
Okay, dance you.
ya Obuoba Mugusu Yetuma. And I was against the bad, in fact, my Yutuma. Radio station when you mean the Queen Blah, a Bantamo, and Coba or Donkey of Sense, my first but you are engaged.
Okay, yes, so yeah, that's it. All right, yeah, that's it. Final caller, I'm about to need baby I free.
Your friend could be in Casafra Sani Newtown.
A Sani Newtown, ain't you?
Yo, Boba, and I mean, we shall.
Amen.
When the Pabia can Caribbean, I know what time for those. Yes, we are shown Kuna Semensu or Spadium, I want to Kurakam. And so, Sadiana Mokasa. Edifa asaneka ne kenono ya me adom eno asane nkwoso hin wane na yere omode nyoma bibiri abrek ne keno na mo kakra be ka che na sifo ne se omo hwe nyoma ne suye mo munyi kogu baabi na wo yarefo bi bo makasa nyoma ne niwo no omo ntwe na omo santo ma yen enti wo bia ne wo bia se wo monitor nyoma no monitor no ne kwa so Yanko Shira, any punto Melekrono, and Coswine and Yamin Shira, one trail maximum. Baby, I'm going to be rather for one show.
Amen. Amen. Yet I say, hey, who's what for swear room? We didn't be a free. Yeah, nah, she can be wogus. Now that I did be out, I'll be a fine her color.
Obuoba, Obuoba, Nakupo is someone you do.
Amen.
Asema oka se odan ye ka se ye de kan man be jan ye se NTT atade ye kura ye beto ama no Obuoba asemi ni wakokan ani ye no Obuoba se bi min kasem bi me fatma mi kon me ye fanti mi di infanti fatem sa temfo na ye nim ye kente so le si o infanti fatem sadio Obuoba ko central region na ko hen kulu kwajuma kutipani odan the NPP. Ye trouble moment can you so much she my yen. Semini ya samo kan yi. Abanya basic clinic. Obinu ne yire and akoto niama begum. Abanya tisika basic clinic.
Okay, ni na ya kwasa fujuma ni bia na share that. Say, all right, mo am friend ni na mo fan che yentimi for free bia ebiem.
The battle has ended.
Episode again.
I don't hear the asida de kwame odi an kan kwame yeboa adwempan yi kofi mensa kwame asante mo am nso mo frɛ ye mo am testing messages mo am gusu frɛ me pacho yapon nyame yadom e kina ye beto aso Ghana wo frɛ me Obuoba Ofori Amanfo nyame yadom a wo kina ye besane ahia until then hwonsu ye na yesu bemu a utumi enyini che
big lifestyle small paper it make you celebrate
ye de kasi mo tell de to aso am said all the best for us.
Adishima ma sama munya mo achi ema makwaba ediba ankan 93.3 FM kasa fidie eso babie yadri na yede eye kasebotew ensema wodwa ene yakan kasebo emu awiadum yino ana afre anwumre no nsia bedi makotene no ana yede besomwo ewo saa ebre yi enso emu medin no ede adwen pahene kofi mensa adwen papa na papa endu ani mukan na ene yakan kasebo mu no yede ani abekire mu ewo eye achiase na emabuno honom ana obekaya wonum ese wonum aban krache wonum sisiai no ebeya kana na dankwa agufu ade momoni din ebiem ento mo eye ye kire ene ade a no nam so ama ahemfofo enso ababontene abetutu bi enso ede amane omo emabunu no eye nsembe bi ena ahemfofo no enso ede atudwa na sanso ena eye opanyine kwankyerefo wo tua eye Memphis Constructions ano wono enso atimi ede enioma ene akade agodo ede akwakwoboa eye asabia yesi ewo eye asene yesikura wie we aka nioma edi begum ne yede afri dwumadi no enso ase ahwe manfo enso ho ene nioma agodo a wose ayasabia ehia no womo ede akwakoma wo mamu nkomo enyina no yede beto manim Zanso ena engineer wono ene yede eye sagrame housing project na ehye ne nsase wonsi anei ho soso nsem akoda ne bebiri no opanyini aba abontene aba bekasa na ensembe no de betudwa okiremu se dwumadi no omo wie na fimpino ene du enum 2015 kura ana saa sagreme project ne wie ye enti de ama ho ensem abeye ho ha no e wo man mu no gise otie yakan kase bo awiadum yi no na afi no sia enso ede no na watimi enso atemu entremu no eye ye de ani be kire mu e won krabubune mantemu wiem hyagina bia Kotoka International Airport na FDA wamo na chese wamo hwehwe eye enwanidie ene anwaniduro anuane ye diko ni paduam na afi nduro ahodo nso ye wo Michael Gana mu hanom no wamo na ye hu hwehwe mu wamo chese okopie mu e Kotoka International Airport wa COVID-19 test no ayade se koso pa na wase wamo hwe na wamo toto nioma ye ma nioma so timi ekoye enkan mu nkomo nyina no ye de ba besom wo na ya yese ye breastfeeding week na chese nofo ayede man nkura no aha yese ne ye hwe kwen ye befa so ebesiesie se de obedi ni na de ama akura no ho ntotoe nyina no ntine ye ne midwife for bebo ho enkomo na mo enso nsem no mo de aba besom ye na utag for nso onse o makọ ye strike o mato atua enti no so mo ne abaya kosi nkonya de na afiri mu enso aba ni nyina mu no ye de ba bedam mo ye behwe awiem sa kira ye se de sibitie ne se nsuo beto ana se nsuo entono ni nyina no eye ensem ahodo a obete ewo yakan kesebo enyi enso emu enti awiadum mienu eya na wahia ankan kesebo na afi eye enwumere no nsia so na wahia ankan kesebo no mudi mu nchemu aba besom se de tie na efata dini biom eya adwenpa yin kofi mensa adwen papa na papa endu anim kan me sori na adwuma Kwabena Costi ede atoaso ede amamu